have a daughter waiting for me who attempted to kill herself 3 times. I cannot leave her. Mr. Chair, she's waiting for me. She attempted 3 times, Mr. Chair. That's why I cannot leave her.
Oh. Oh, why you are not answering?
Perhaps, Mr. Chair, I am special.
Perhaps ka na naman. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, ito, ano lang to, Mr. Chairman, for the record, but I move to cite in contempt because the resource person is evading to answer questions being asked by almost all members. Paulit-ulit lang yung perhaps mo. Maybe. May perhaps na naman. Move to cite in contempt, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
If I may, honorable members, I will just allow the chair first to make a clarification on the motion of Congressman Paduano. Congressman Paduano, is that a motion?
Yes. That's the motion. I move
Mr.
to
Chair.
cite in contempt. Sandali lang po, Co-Chair. Abante, give me the time because this is my time.
Okay. We will...
I move to cite in contempt Ms. Garma for lying and evading questions being asked by the members of this committee and including this representation. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there is...
Mr. Chair.
There is
Mr.
a
Chair.
Okay, before I rule...
Before
Okay,
that,
is that
sandali lang.
an amendment to the motion?
No, no. Yes. Perhaps, please listen to my questions first before we act on the motion of my co-chair who is angry now.
Okay. So, will Congressman Abante propound questions to Colonel Garma?
Mr.
Mr. Chairman,
thank you.
I
Mr.
think
Chairman.
we have a pending motion, Mr.
No,
Chairman.
I am just
We just have to,
clarifying. 1 minute
to follow the
suspension.
rules first.
Oh, Mr. Chair, I accede to the motion of...
Mr. Chairman, just to clarify, the violation of Ms. Garma is refusal to answer queries.
Hearing is suspended.
Suspended tayo, mga kasama. Please, respect the decision of the chairman, please.